Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about Paysafe, a company that's been making waves in the world of online payments. But before we get into the details, let's ask ourselves a question. Is Paysafe a web wallet? Well, the answer isn't as simple as a yes or no. Paysafe offers a variety of payment solutions, including e-wallets, prepaid cards, and gift cards. So, depending on how you define a web wallet, the answer could be either yes or no. But before we get into the specifics, let's take a step back and talk about what a web wallet is in the first place. What is a web wallet? A web wallet is a digital wallet that stores your payment information, such as your credit card number and bank account details. This allows you to make online purchases without having to enter your payment information each time. Web wallets are a convenient way to pay for things online, and they can also be more secure than using a credit card directly. This is because your payment information is stored in a secure location, and you only have to enter your wallet password when you make a purchase. So, now that we know what a web wallet is, let's take a look at Paysafe's different payment solutions. Paysafe's payment solutions. Paysafe offers a variety of payment solutions, including Paysafe Card. This is a prepaid card that can be used to make online and offline purchases. Paysafe e-wallet. This is a digital wallet that allows you to store your payment information and make online purchases. Paysafe Pay. This is a payment gateway that allows businesses to accept payments from customers using a variety of methods, including Paysafe cards, Paysafe e-wallets, and credit cards. Paysafe gift cards. These are gift cards that can be used to make purchases at a variety of retailers. So, as you can see, Paysafe offers a variety of payment solutions that can be used for a variety of purposes. But is it a web wallet? Well, that depends on how you define it. If you define a web wallet as a digital wallet that stores your payment information and allows you to make online purchases, then the answer is yes. Paysafe's e-wallet and Pay solutions both meet this definition. However, if you define a web wallet as a digital wallet that is specifically designed for online gambling, then the answer is no. While Paysafe does offer payment solutions that can be used for online gambling, it is not specifically designed for this purpose. So, to answer the question, is Paysafe a web wallet, the answer is yes and no. It depends on how you define it. But regardless of whether or not you consider Paysafe to be a web wallet, it is a valuable payment solution that can be used for a variety of purposes. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that, I'd like to thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you next time.